Hi students, welcome back to It the Rate Valley Maths channel. In this video, I am going to explain the very important concepts which are in statistics. How to find the mean of the given data. First one. Here once you see the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure. Here whatever the table given, that is about the daily expenditure of 25 households. Here they gave grouped frequencies, the grouped frequency distribution table it is. So here 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. These are the class intervals. These are lower boundaries. These are upper boundaries. Now these are come under frequencies. Number of households is come under frequencies F5. Here 100 to 154, 4 houses. 150 to 200, 100 rupees to 150 rupees, 4 houses. Like that till 300 rupees to 350 rupees, how many houses till there they gave. Here to find the mean we need xi column. We have to make this xi column. How to make it? First you add lower boundary and upper boundary. 100 plus 200, 150, 250 divided by 2, then 125. Same, 150 plus 200, 350 divided by 2, 175. 200 plus 250, 450 divided by 2, 225. Like this you have to find the xi column. Same, 250 plus 300 divided by 2, 275. 300 plus 350 divided by 2, 325. Here otherwise the class size is 50. So we can add 50 to the each and every xi, then the succeeding one we will get. So in this way we have to find the xi column. Later we have to find a new column, that is fi into xi. Fi into xi. Now 4 into 125. You multiply, you will get this one 500. Frequency and this xi column. Fi into xi. Next 5 into 175. 875. 12 into 225. 2700. 2 into 275. 550. 2 into 325. 650. Now we got fi xi column. We have to write the formula now. Mean formula is for direct method. This is for direct method. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now sigma fi xi, sigma means sum of the observations in the fi xi column. Sum of the observations in fi xi column. So whatever observations are there in this column, add all those. Then we will get their sum, that is only sigma fi xi. By sigma fi, same add the frequency column, that is 25, then sigma fi it is. So divide these two. Formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Instead of sigma fi xi, we got 5275 divided by 25. So it divides this one 211 times. So that mean daily expenditure of the 25 households is 211 rupees. This is direct method. Sometimes they may ask by suitable method, means any method, assumed mean method. We are having three methods to find the mean of the data. This is direct method. One more is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method, or else step deviation method. Third one is. We can use any of these three methods. If they mentioned clearly by step deviation, means we have to use only step deviation. Otherwise, if they didn't mention anything, better to go for direct method, this method. Okay, next one is assumed mean method. For the same data, we are going to do assumed mean method that I will explain how to do it. See here, same for the data, we have to find same as it is xi column. Already we did xi column in this direct method. Now we have to find assumed mean method. We have to find the mean by using assumed mean. What is this assumed mean? See here, I will explain. For this also we have to find xi column, but this is not needed. Fi xi column not needed. So see here, in the deviation method, this is also called as deviation method or assumed mean method. Fi di column we need. We need Fi into di column. Very important. This is also, see here. Here di is equals to di is equals to xi minus a. Di is equals to xi minus a. So here di, what is this a? A means, suppose if you observe in xi column, whatever middle value is there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So middle value is third one. Exactly, third one it is. So sometimes if it is even, you can get either third one, fourth one, both will be middle. So you can choose either three or four. Better fix one, third one you can choose as a. Now here third one is there, middle one, that you have to take it as assumed mean. We are assuming this is only the mean, so that is why this is called assumed mean. Now how to find this one? They gave xi minus a. Every xi minus a we have to write here. 125 minus 225 minus 100, because we are subtracting big number from small number. 175 minus 225 minus 50. Subtracting small from big. Xi minus a. Now this is only xi and this is only a. So same number minus same number, 0. 225 minus 225. Now xi minus a. Big minus small. So 275 minus 225 plus 50. Next 325 minus 225 plus 100. Now we have to find one more column, that is, see here, the new column Fi into di. Fi into di, that we have to find now. The new column Fi into di. Earlier Fi into xi we did know. Now we have to do the Fi into di. See here, frequency is 4. 4 into minus 100 minus 400. 5 into minus 50 minus 250. 12 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 100. 250s are 100. 2 into 100, 200. Now what you have to do is this same, we have to add all the observations in this column. Now because the formula is formula by assumed mean method, this is find the mean daily expenditure they asked, no? So this is the assumed mean method. So mean is equals to x bar, will denote like this, a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is the formula. A means assumed mean. Sigma fi di, how we will get? By adding this. But here two minus values are there. First you add those. Minus 400 minus 250. 650. So both are having same symbol, add. Now 100 plus 200, 300. Subtract from this one. So 0, 5, 6 minus 3, 3. Big number is having minus symbol, that's why you will get minus symbol for this one. So in this way you have to do the rough work. Next, sigma fi, we got 350 minus 350, that we have to substitute. We have to find sigma fi. In the previous problem for the same data we already got the sigma fi, that is 25. So write sigma fi di is equals to minus 300. Sigma fi is equals to 25. So substitute in the formula. A means 225 plus here minus 350, no, write like this, by 25. By 25 we have to write like this. How many times it will divide? So 25 divide this one, how many times? 125 is a 25, reminder 10, 100, 4 times 14. So 225 minus 14 is 211. Same answer we got by using direct method also. Now this is assumed mean method. In this way we have to find the mean by using assumed mean method. For that we have to find DI column and then Fi into DI column. Next one is step deviation method. For the same data, I am explaining how to do the same step deviation method. How to find the HCF mean by step deviation method. See here how to do it, we'll see. Same Xi column we have to find for everything. Here what the new thing we will do is UI column we will make here. UI column. See here, instead of this, we have to find Fi into Uy. Fi into Uy. Here, instead of this, you have to write Xi minus A by H. Xi minus A by H. See here, I will write. Here, Uy is equals to Xi minus A by H. Earlier we did here Di. Now Ui. Ui means Xi minus A by H. Xi minus A is same for both. But we are dividing by class size. What is the class size here? 50. How to find the class size? 150 minus 100. 50. So divide by 50. Now same. First you do Xi minus A. Small number minus big number. We got already minus 100. So minus 100 divided by 50. How much? 2. So minus 2 it is. Next 175 minus 225. We already got minus 50. Minus 50 by 50 how much? Minus 1. Same 225 minus 225. 0 by 50 how much? 0. 275 minus 225. Already we got it. This is plus 50 which is equals to 1. 325 minus 225. 100 plus 100 by 50. For same data we are doing step deviation method for finding mean of the data. Now multiply Fi into Ui. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are here 4. So you have to multiply these frequency with Ui. Then add all these observations in this column. Some numbers are having minus symbol, some are having plus symbol. So we need sigma Fi Ui which is equals to 8 plus 5 13 minus 13 plus 6 minus 7 because which are having plus symbol those we added 2 plus 4 that is 6. So in this way we have to find these we have to substitute in the formula, that is I will write here mean of the data. Sigma F here minus 7 we got. Minus 7. Minus 13 plus 6 minus 7. Next sigma Fi. Sigma Fi how much? 25. Sigma Fi is equals to 25 because same we already did by adding Fi column. Next formula is, see here, mean by using step deviation method. Mean is equal to X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. We know the class size. Here A value is 225 plus sigma Fi Ui. How much sigma Fi Ui? Minus 7. Sigma Fi how much? 25. We know the class size. What is the class size? 50. 25 divides 50 2 times. Plus into minus minus 7 twos are 14. So 225 minus 14. 211. You observe same answer in the three methods we got. We can choose any method, but if they didn't ask any method, you can directly do direct method. If you are having any confusion with these two methods, you can do that direct method. Otherwise, if it is easy to you, you do step deviation or assumed mean method, anything. But if any differently they asked by appropriate method or suitable method, means better to go for assumed mean method. Okay, see, if the data is huge data, then you have to choose step deviation method, because for big data it will be easy to do the step deviation method instead of decreasing the calculation part less. Okay, now the next concept I am going to explain is meet mode of the data. Mode I will explain. How to find the mode. See, mode means more number of times occurs. For grouped frequency distribution table, for same I am applying mode for the same data. Here they give households mean daily expenditure. We already we did. We got 211. Mean daily expenditure of the houses is 20. 211 we got. So in this way we did. Next one is mode of the data. For this what we have to do? First we have to observe in frequency column. We have to observe frequency column. See here in the frequency column, which is the greatest number in this frequency column. Now what I am finding? Mode I am finding. Here I am writing mode instead of mean. Find the mode for the same data. Now you observe in the frequency column, what is the greatest number? Yes, 12 it is. Here this 12 is come under F1. The preceding one is F0. Always the greatest frequency in frequency column, the greatest number is F1. F0, the preceding one. Succeeding one, F2. This is F0. The corresponding class interval is our model class interval. Okay, this is model class interval. Model class interval. Lower boundary is 200. Okay, this is model class interval. Wherever the greatest frequency is there, the corresponding class interval we have to consider. That is only the model class interval. Now L value 200. Now we know the formula for the mode. See here, mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is mode formula. How to, we know every value here. L value here I will write the terminology whatever we are having. Model class interval is 200 to 250. L value 200. F1 value 12. F0 value 5. F2 value 2. Okay, in this way we have to write. Class size we know that 50. Substitute in this. Mode is equals to L value 200 plus F1 minus F1 how much? 12 minus F0 5 by 2 into F1, 2 into 12, 24. Multiply directly 2 into F1. F1 how much? 12. 2 12 is 24. Minus F0. How much F0? 5. minus F2. F2 how much? 2. Into H how much? 50 I am writing here. Here 200 plus 12 minus 7 how much? 12 minus 5, 7. Here add these two. 5, 2. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. 24 minus 7. How much? 17. Into 50. So here 20 plus 7 into 50. 350 by 17. 20 plus, you do simplification by doing like this. 2 17s are 34, 1 here. So what you have to do now? 2, how many times it will do? 0 times. So 20 point, 20 point, again one more 0 you put. How many times? 6 times. 6 7s are 42. Plus 5 times. 5 7s are 85. Approximately 20.2, 20.5 like that you will get. So 20.5 decimal values you will get. So add these two. Here, here 200 it is L value that I wrote for, sorry, here 200 right, 200. Okay, 220.5 is the mode of the data. Approximately 220.5. Understood? This is the way you have to find mode of the data. Here L value 200 and by simplification you will get approximately like this. Okay. Now 220.5, some you can write one more decimal place also. Approximately this one. Okay. Next one, median. Median I will explain how to do for the same data. Median, how to do it. Here median means middle term. Generally median means middle value. Here same data we are going to do that. For that what we have to make the new column. For mode no need to find any column separately. But for median what column we have to make. Now I am going to explain the same for the same data median, how to find the median of the data. See here, find the median for the given table. Median means middle term. For this we have to make a new column, that is CF, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency column. CF means cumulative frequency. Here we know the frequencies. They gave frequencies all like this. Now the first frequency whatever is there 4, write as it is. Here it is fixed, you don't change it, write as it is. Now the next value crosswise, see here 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, then 9 plus 12, here I wrote 21, then 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. This is the way to find cumulative frequencies. First 4 is fixed, then 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 12, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. So in this way we have to find cumulative frequencies. Then we have to find the median of the data. For that we have to write first formula. Median is equals to L plus, this is very important, they will give this formula in section 2 out of 4 marks, only formula and explain the terms. In that way also they will ask. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here CF means cumulative frequency. H means class size. L means lower boundary of the median class. I will tell what is lower boundary of the median class. Here in the frequency column, which is greatest one, the corresponding class interval. In the frequency column, which is the greatest frequency? 12. 12 corresponding class interval is median class interval. That is L value, lower boundary. Same we did for mode also, same class interval. Here which is the greatest frequency? That is only F. Here in our formula F is there, that is F. And the corresponding class interval, median class interval. and this is L. Now in this median class, whatever median class is there, you observe clearly the preceding one, upper one here, the preceding one is our CF. In the CF column only you have to observe. In the median class, this is median class. In this preceding one, in CF column, the CF preceding to the CF which is there in median class means in this column the preceding one we have to consider as CF in our formula, that is 9. CF is equals to 9. F is equals to 12. We already got it. H value how much? 50. Okay. N value? Here N value is 25. See here whatever total frequency is there in the CF column, the last one, that is 25. Here how to take the values? Lower boundary we know that 200. Substitute these all in median formula. Median is equals to L value 200, N by 2, N by 2. Here N value, total N value, N means total frequency. 25 by 2 minus CF. How much CF? 9 by F. F how much? 12 into 50. So this calculation we have to do. 200 plus 12, 25 by 2 minus how much? 25 by 2 means 12.5 minus 9 by 12 into 50. Okay. See here, 200 plus 12.5 minus 9, 3.5 by into 50 by 12. If you multiply these two, then you will get, with for 0 this decimal will go 35 into 5. So 200 plus 35 into 5 by 12, that we have to do. Do division in the rough, then you will get this calculation. Okay, 35 into 35 divided by 5, that we have to do. 35 into 5 is 175. 175 divided by 12 is 14.58. So if you do calculation in the rough, then you will get. So we have to write here 14.5, approximately 14.58. Here I am writing 14.58, 214.58. This is the median value. So this is the way to find the median of the data. Okay, so I explained mean, median, mode. These are three are very important in section 3. They may ask anything. So this is the way to prove. Okay, here class CF means cumulative frequencies that you have to find. Then you have to substitute in this formula.